All right, welcome back to DIY Security. Today I got something pretty cool. In case you guys didn't know, you guys should know. You guys should be into it too. Uh, got an AI video. I'm gonna go into how we can get AI locally, and there's a lot of videos I looked into. Nobody really shows you step by step how to get it quickly. So this is gonna be a short video of my method and how I got it. And first, I'll just cd into AI. And the first thing you're going to want to do is sudo apt install docker.io. And I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do it. And secondly, this method is for if you have a GPU, NVIDIA GPU. If you have a CPU, I'm just going to save you the pain and heartache right now. You're probably not going to be able to do it. Now, I'm running this on a laptop, and I believe my GPU is only like a 1650 or something. I'm not even sure what graphics card I have. Anyway, I'm going to post the commands down below, but you're going to run this curl to get the basically make it easy to configure the NVIDIA repository to your AI agent. Once again, I've already ran this, so I'm not gonna run it. Second command we're gonna run is sudo apt. Oh, I didn't delete everything. Hold on. And I'm sorry, you guys. Let me maximize this and let's see if I can zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Maximize. No zoom. There we go. There's my zoom. Okay, that may be a little easier for you guys to see. So next one is going to be sudo apt-get install NVIDIA container. All right. Then the last command, well, it's almost done. Last command, you're going to configure the Docker container to be able to use the NVIDIA driver. And that's going to be the command right there, sudo nvidia-ctk runtime configure runtime equals docker sudo systemctl restart docker. All right. Then you should be able to just go ahead and start the container. So this one I will run, and I don't think it's going to work because I'm going to show you why in a minute. I'll type my password. Okay, so yeah, you'll get this error, but the first time you run it, that command should work. But since I've already got it, it's saying it's already in use here, and I'll show you how to get that. So what you're going to want to do after you've already done all the steps, you go ahead and type in docker docker ps-a sudo bang bang. Okay, so there we go. So you can see this over here is our container name. Okay, our Docker container name. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to go sudo docker start. I think that's it. And then we're going to paste that in there. All right. And then we should be able to run that command one more time. Oh, maybe not. I'm sorry. I'm messing up. We should be able to just It's a little bit different. This is the command: sudo docker exec -it ollama run llama 3. Okay, and then you can see here it's loading up right here in the corner. Hello. It's nice to meet you. Is there something I can help you with? Okay, so right now you see how it's going super slow. I believe it is running on my CPU instead of my GPU. So I'll do /by, get out of that. And I'm actually going to show you guys, you can get other models. So I have a, what do they call it? A unfiltered model. Is that the word? So we can do dolphin coder. Let's run dolphin coder. And I'm thinking it may still be, oh, there we go. That's a lot faster. Yeah. So I think I configured my dolphin coder to work with GPU. And I could just say something like, can you help me with some XSS examples? Examples. And I'm just gonna I'll turn off my Wi-Fi to show you guys it is local. So my Wi-Fi is completely off. It says insecure direct object reference, IDOR. This attack typically used by attackers to access data they're not supposed to have. Here's an example. That's not really XSS, but let's see. If the user is authenticated, they could potentially view and edit other users for information. Code injection. Okay, so it's showing me some code injection now. Got some PHP. As it's showing me all kinds of different little examples here. Reflected cross-site scripting here. Some stored cross-site scripting. It's actually showing some SQL. Update user set script equals alert hello world where ID equals 123. So really cool, completely offline. You don't have to worry about, I don't know, if you're working on bug bounty, which that was my concern, working on bug bounty, you don't really want to be putting companies' data on, say, ChatGPT stored, especially if it's some kind of sensitive information. You could really fine-tune your results, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So stay tuned, you guys. If you're not subscribed and you like what you see, consider subscribing and pressing that like button. It helps me out. And you guys stay cool, happy hacking, happy building. I'll catch y'all on the next one.